It's a very, very mad world. Mad world.
Hello everybody, so today I received a long awaited box set, and that is the Donnie Darko 15th anniversary box set Blu-ray DVD combo released by Arrow Video. I do love this film. I own the original DVD which features a cast commentary, and the director's cut DVD which has the gorgeous lenticular cover and the commentary by Richard Kelly and that twat Kevin Smith. And I have kept hold of these, but I've really wanted this. The beautiful cover with the sort of metallic finish on the body suit, and especially the eyes, the teeth, the snout and the belly. It was a metal. The helmet or the face was metal, so that is good. On the back, I want you to watch the movie screen. It's something I want to show you. It's hard to believe that this is 15 years. And Jake Gyllenhaal just looks so young in it. Also, his sister Maggie, who I'm a great fan of, Jenna Malone, Drew Barrymore, Mary McDonald, the late great Patrick Swayze, Noah Wiley, and special edition contents, brand new 4K restorations of both the theatrical cut, the director's cut from the original camera negatives, produced by Arrow Films exclusively for this release. Original 5.1 audio, original English subtitles, audio commentary by writer Richard Kelly and actor Jake Gyllenhaal on the theatrical cut. Audio commentary by Kelly, producer Sean McKittrick, and actors Drew Barrymore, Jenna Malone, Beth Grant, Mary McDonald, Holmes Osborne, Catherine Ross and James Duval on the theatrical cut. Audio commentary by Kelly and filmmaker Kevin Smith on the director's cut. Deus Ex Machina, The Philosophy of Donnie Darko, a brand new documentary by Ballyhoo Motion Pictures on the making of Donnie Darko, containing interviews with writer-director Richard Kelly, producer Sean McKittrick, director of photography Stephen Poster, editor Sam Bauer, composer Michael Edwards, costume designer April Ferry, producer designer Alec Hammond, and actor James Duval. The Goodbye Place, Kelly's 1996 short film, which anticipates some of the themes and ideas of his feature films. The Donnie Darko, sorry, my voice I think is going. The Donnie Darko Production Diary, an archival documentary charting the film's production with optional commentary by cinematographer Stephen Poster. 20 deleted and alternate scenes with optional commentary by Kelly. Archive interviews with Kelly, actors Jake Gyllenhaal, Jenna Malone, Drew Barrymore, James Duval, Maggie Gyllenhaal, Holmes Osborne, Noah Wiley and Catherine Ross. Producers Sean McKittrick, Nancy Juvenon, Hunt Lowry and Casey La Scala, and cinematographer Stephen Poster. 3 archive features: They Made Me Do It, They Made Me Do It Too, and Number One Fan, a dark commentary. Storyboard comparisons, B-roll footage, Cunning Visions infomercials, music videos, Mad World by Gary Jules, galleries, trailers, TV spots, exclusive collector's book containing new writings by Nathan Rabin, Introduction by Jake Gyllenhaal and contemporary coverage, illustrated with original stills and promotion material. Limited edition packaging featuring new artwork by Candice Tripp. And I remember when this film came out, it was a complete flop. It was not just nationally, not internationally, but saving grace was DVD. It was a massive hit on DVD. Everyone's saying, have you seen this film? Have you seen this film? And of course, was it Southern Tales, follow-up by Richard Kelly, was an even bigger flop, and he hasn't done any films since, I think. And the Donnie Darko, I don't think Richard Kelly absolutely despises that. He says he will never see it while he's breathing. So there's the front, the back. This is my third sort of deluxe version from Arrow Films. Oh, there's a nice moonshine in there. Also have the Videodrome and the Bride of the Reanimator. So first of all, let's have a look at the theatrical cut. Is that a booklet there? So we have the Blu-ray, and I take it that's the DVD. It doesn't want to come out. Just lift it from there. Yeah, DVD underneath. Okay. So this looks like a poster. I doubt I'll be able to get it in camera. I love this poster though, the like montage of all the actors. There we go, oh, that brand new smell. I love Patrick Swayze's role in this film. And of course the Donnie's speech about Smurfs. So, nothing much in there. Move on. Oh, what's this here? Roberta Sparrow, of course. Are these? Oh, let's have a look at this side first. There's the front cover artwork. The sparrow, the letterbox that came with the figure from Necker's Cult Classics, I think. I can't remember, I think McFarlane's Movie Maniacs did one as well. It looks like there's a puzzle that you can do on the back. Let's just move these out of the way for a bigger picture. And that card shows you what the actual final picture will be. Like the old top stays, the Garbage Pail Kids. So there we go. It's a nice touch. I think maybe I would have preferred cast members on the cards though. So put that back in. It's been a while since I've watched the film, I have to admit. And then you have the book. Also got to say, I love the soundtrack to this film. It's absolutely brilliant. Of course, probably the most depressing Christmas #1 ever. Michael Andrews featuring Gary Jules, their version of Tears for Fears, Mad World, sorry. I think it took a long time for them to get all the rights to all the music. I don't think it appeared on the original release. Songs like In Excess didn't appear on the original release. I think it does though on the director's cut. And recently Empire had a featurette on Donnie Darko, and Chris Nolan had quite a big part apparently in getting it released, which I never knew. Oh, she was creepy as hell. It's like spurring those kids on. Really freaky. It's very much like nowadays. Parents and Britain's Got Talent, or America's Got Talent, reliving their childhood through their kids. There we go, the score by Michael Andrews was very effective. That's just the score though, not the soundtrack. It's so young there. Patrick Swayze, the cult of Patrick Swayze. It's a shame we never actually got a figure of Donnie Darko, an action figure. We just got a figure of Frank. After Darko, how Richard Kelly adapted to the apocalypse. That would have made a great figure, him in that suit. There's the mask. So yeah, really looking forward to watching this. It does look, you think that that's damaged there, but that's how it's supposed to be. So I would pick this up while it's still available. I think this was, I can't remember offhand, I think it was $24.99 maybe, something like that. So I think that is a bargain for this set. Anyway, that wraps up this review. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're a fan of this film, please leave your comments below. How did you discover it? Did you see it first at the cinema or home media? Take care for now. Bye. Peace.